Often overlooked as the first step to terracotta repair, cleaning in order to color match, in my opinion, is very important. Whether a building's being cleaned or not, we recommend that a control unit on the building gets cleaned and then matched to for color. The issue with matching to the existing color is any work that gets done in the future, whether it be cleaning or other mortar work, can be affected by that. In other words, if I match this dirty area with a dirty patch and the building gets cleaned later or through exposure and rain changes color, your patching then becomes a problem. So to reiterate, we always recommend to match to a cleaned unit. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how we go about cleaning on a piece that has not been cleaned yet. This piece doesn't look dirty, but we're gonna perform a cleaning on it just to demonstrate the importance of making sure you have the true final color. So I'll be cleaning this section here. For the cleaning of terracotta, in order to get proper color for color matching, I recommend using our oxidation remover. We developed the product several years ago for the MTA for usage in the Lincoln Tunnel and surrounding areas. They needed a product that had enough strength to get dirt, debris, and carbon staining off without etching the glass and ceramic tiles that make up the tunnel. Because of that, it works very well on terracotta, and I'm going to demonstrate that here on a piece of terracotta that may not look dirty, but after the cleaning, I think you'll see that it is very important to clean to make sure your color match is correct. To start, I spray the area down with water. A terracotta unit isn't going to absorb much water through its skin here, so it just simply needs to be wet and maintained wet throughout the duration of cleaning. I have the product here in a container. We simply brush the product on, let it dwell from anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, and then spray off with water. All of our cleaners do not require a neutralizer and do not require the runoff to be collected or reclaimed. This is a typical limitation for most cleaners that you don't experience with our cleaners. So we're coming back to the stone after about 15 minutes. I'm going to double check with a scrub brush to see how we've done. Yep, I see the carbon staining coming off. Now, this stone wasn't extremely dirty, so we should see a subtle change. Another big benefit to our cleaners: you have very little, if at all, risk of over cleaning an already cleaned unit. We don't carry products, acids, or cleaners that are just going to automatically change or brighten or lighten. We will only remove dirt. We're not going to change a light colored limestone into a lighter colored limestone. So let's take a look here. I have my rinse bottle, and we'll spray it off. Scrub as needed. For most of your commercial projects, though, you're not going to be scrubbing. Pressure washing is sufficient. All this runoff you see going off the table is neutralized with water. If you're ever concerned about it, you simply have someone rinsing your rinse off to make sure it's not a problem. And once we're clean, we then let the area dry, and no matter what, we would use this section of the stone for color matching, for whether it's patching or patching and staining.